This is a Sapient Saga 2012. The frame is 100% chromoly with a 20.4 top tube. The forks are 100% chromoly. The bars are 100% chromoly with 8-inch rise. The grips are shrapnel gun grips with grip locks. The stem is a stolen convict stem. It has the cranks are 3-piece cranks with a sealed bottom bracket, a KMC half-length chain, and stolen thermalite pedals. It has it's a seat post combo, so it's a little bit lighter. A stolen choker, seat post clamp. The tires are shrapnel fragment WD 20-inch times 2.125 tires. They aren't that nice. Double wall rims, and it weighs about 25 pounds or so. And this is the help sound. It's actually pretty nice, and that's my bike set.